my frozen doll.
Ready,
Set,
go! Go ahead. You can lay it down.
Whoa. Here you go, Mama. Here you go, Mama.
Okay.
There's a box.
It's there.
Yeah. This is Elsa from Frozen.
Is that a pretty doll?
This is her dress, and it is lights up and sing. Look.
Does it light up and sing? Let's hear. Wow! Pretty! Pretty doll!
Thank you. Look at my Frozen collection.
Wow, Amaya!
Look at my Frozen collection.
Wow, you have so many frozen toys and dolls and dresses, and you have a couch too, and you also have.
You even have to turn it like a.
Oh, nice! Let me see. Open it. Whoa! Anna and Elsa. And you have some coloring books
And look at my dress.
and your dress and this costume too from Frozen 1.
And from Halloween.
Yeah, I think you have more dolls, but we don't know where they are. You also have Frozen cups and plates and toothbrush and books.
And look. And look.
Let me see. Frozen cups. You also have plates, but I think it's at Grandma's. And then you also have frozen toothbrush
Yeah.
and more dolls and books. But we don't know where they are now. I think they're at Grandma's.
Yeah.
And you also had a birthday. A Frozen birthday?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's on my video. I went for my birthday.
Yeah, that's in your other video.
And there's a name was Happy Birthday.
Oh yes, that's right. Wow. Now you can sit there. Okay, say bye to everyone.